Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions. Make sure your Windows account or SQL login has sysadmin privileges. Once done, open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the target instance. Use Windows or SQL Auth as required. Next, run select ATAT server name in a new query so you know the current reported name. This step prevents surprises later and lets you decide whether to rename the server, add an alias, or keep the internal name. It's a quick sanity check before changes. Now you perform the name change. If the instance lacks the desired local name, run exec sb add server new server name, local. Then, you must restart the SQL Server service so the instance picks up the change. Make sure to use the exact machine or cluster virtual name you intend clients to use. After the restart, validate by running select ATAT server name and also check server property, machine name, to confirm both internal and machine names match your expectations. Finish by updating connection strings, SQL aliases, and linked server definitions to the new server name so applications reconnect correctly. If you encounter connection failures, make sure the SQL Server browser service is running, confirm firewall ports like 1433 are open, and verify DNS or hosts entries resolve the new name. If the previous name is obsolete, run exec sb drop server old name. This cleans metadata, but only do that once you're certain all clients use the updated name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.